organizing this workshop, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center Technopolis, in accordance with previous practice, supports international cooperation. Also, we contribute to the development of the concept of citizen science and how to engage local people to contribute to initiatives that use this method of data collection. Additionally, by organizing events like this workshop, we contribute to the development of the blue economy and innovations which are highly important for Tehnopolis.
We're very excited to be here today in Sotomore for this second workshop, BIOTOURS 2.0 workshop, as we're discussing, and we will be going on deepening the relationship, the cross-border relationship between Italy, Albania and Montenegro to support research and consultations and how to keep them safe and to build a better future for the South Adriatic region and for the animals that live in this part of the city.
I hope this particular project, which is a follow-up of BIOTOURS 1, will help us to create and to start a new way in studying biology, marine biology. This particular event is a small brick on the wall, but it's very, very important. So we have to continue in this direction.
So during this workshop, we analyze we make actually the SWOT analysis of the citizen science data and the citizen science itself, and the participants identified the main threats, opportunities, weaknesses, and of course the strengths of this method, because it is still new in Montenegro, and we hope that it will be much more in use in the upcoming years. So we hope that this workshop will actually contribute to the more effective usage of this for citizen science in our country.
And even though it was very challenging during all these years to collect data about citizen science and to involve the local community in our activities, I think that we moved a step forward and that people already started to recognize our efforts and our actions.